A surprise turn of events today as the alleged Fort Hood shooter was formally arraigned in court.
Just moments before, the attorney who has been at his side since the shooting was released from the defense team. Major Nadal Malik Hassan is facing the death penalty after 13 people were shot and killed in a rampage on the Army post in November of 2009. KXAN's Chris Sadeghi is live at Fort Hood, where details about a future trial were hashed out this afternoon. Chris?
Yes, Robert, and there's still a lot of time between now and when this trial is set to begin, March 5th, 2012. But we found out today that Hassan's attorney, who's been with him this whole time, will not be there when that trial begins. In the courtroom today, Hassan did not have John Galligan by his side, but rather Lieutenant Colonel Chris Poppy, as the suspect spoke with the judge about the 3 military attorneys who will represent him, and that he understood the charges against him, 13 of them for premeditated murder, 32 for attempted premeditated murder. The defense nor Galligan would talk about the details of the change, but Galligan did release a statement that you can read on KXAN.com explaining why he chose to defend Hassan in the first place. Now, after 15 minutes, the arraignment ended with Judge Gregory Gross telling Hassan that a panel of officers from Fort Sill ranking at Hassan's level or higher would make up his jury and could give him the death penalty if they see fit.
Prosecution must prove a capital count, an aggravating factor, and that the aggravating factor must outweigh mitigating factors. Each must be decided by a unanimous vote by the court-martial panel.
And death penalty cases in the military system are extremely rare, and they prohibit Hassan from entering a plea of guilty. So far, no plea has been entered, and the speculation today is that officials here at Fort Hood are estimating this trial could take about 45 days once it begins in March of next year. We're live at Fort Hood. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.